Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest board. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest board, you should just go to settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest. When you find it, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.